Good morning, grade 9s. To carry on last week's work, we're going to do a cash receipt journal and a debtors ledger. Now, the main purpose with this cash receipt journal is, remember, I told you that we have cash sales, and after cash sales, your debtor comes and he pays his account. So he settles his account. That means his debt will decrease because he's paid his debt. So if you look in your cash receipt journal at the transactions, let's look at day 29. S. Smith settles his account as on 29 March 2016. Issue receipt number 52 to him. Okay, so S. Smith, you're going to look at the previous example. In the previous example on the previous video, you will see that he owed us, in the debtors list, you would have seen that he owed us 27,250. So if he has to settle his account, means you're going to enter it in bank because you receive money, and you're going to enter it in debtors control because he's paying his debt. Let's look at number 30. Receive a check from N now as partial settlement of his account, 11,500. Issue receipt 52. So if you look at day 30, N now 11,500. The analysis of receipt. Again, look at the folio numbers, D1, D2, D3. You remember they come from your debtors ledger at the bottom. There's D1, D2, D3. And then the 11,500 in the bank and also in debtors control. Now let's go and look at Smith. He previously had owed us 250 rand. Then we sold to him on credit for 27,000, so it increases. That means your balance increases to 27,250. But now in March, remember the adjustment said he wants to pay his total debt. So it's going to be receipt 52, CRJ, and he owed us, you'll see, 27,250, which means he owes us 27. He's going to pay 27,250. We put it on the credit side or the minus side. So how much does he owe us? 27,250 minus 27,250 gives me 0. Let's look at now. Previously he owed us 325 rand. We sold to him again for 15,000, which means he owes us 15,325. And then they said he wants to pay his debt of 11,500. Look, we put it on the minus side. It's receipt 53, CRJ, 11,500. And now the previous balance of 15,325 minus the 11,500 gives me 3,825 that he still owes me. So that's important. Good luck. Please do activity 24 and 25 for this week.